Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's not even Halloween yet, but I ordered all the Christmas bath bombs from Lush. I'm super excited for this. I do not have a Lush nearby. It's about almost an hour, not quite an hour, but I don't go there often, maybe a couple times a year. But I always get jealous of all the cool bath bombs they put out, and since I've been doing more demos where they've just been regular bath bombs, I thought maybe I'll do some Lush ones. So I think I got all the Christmas ones. This one is called Snow Fairy Wonderball. It's cracked though, which is super sad, but this is a huge bath bomb, and this box smells amazing. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh, these are so huge. This one doesn't have a label, and I don't remember what it's called. I'll have to look it up on the website. It has like a little holly berry on top. Adorable. And this came super fast too. I think I just ordered this like 3 days ago. This one is called Angel's Delight. Has a moon on it. I love the way their stuff smells. It's probably a good thing I don't have one in the mall closest to me, honestly. This one, not labeled. Ooh, I bet that one's going to be very colorful. And they did have some very cute, like, Christmas bubble bars and bubble bombs. I did not get those. This one is Butterbear Bath Bomb 2020. I just strictly stuck to the actual bath bombs. He's very cute. That one kind of has like a sweet peppermint smell to it. This one is Snowman Dreaming. That's what that looks like. Lots of colors on the side. Ooh, isn't that adorable? Blue ball with all these gold stars embedded into it. That's awesome. Snow Fairy. Oh, that one has some mica on it. Very nice. It's kind of interesting that only some are labeled though. But as long as they're all here, I guess that's all that matters. This must be my freebie. I got a free sample, and there's 3 different things you could pick from. This one is a hair treatment. It was Pod, how cute. That has a very interesting smell to it. I feel like it kind of smells like cinnamon, but lots of other interesting smells in there. Oh, I love their hair stuff though. I pretty much just use their shampoo bars. They're my favorite thing that they have there. I don't like the conditioner bars though, just the shampoo bars. This one is called I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, and I'm so excited for that. That's one of my favorite Christmas songs. Look how cute he is. It's like a bluish gray hippopotamus, and there are some stars on it. Looks like the same ones that like Fragrant Jewels puts in theirs that dissolve in the water. Those are super fun. And Jingle Bells. Oh, it does jingle too. That's amazing. Some nice details, has a little bell thing at the bottom, some stars, and a really cute bow. That's awesome. I really wish they would make, even if they just did them like for kids or something with little prizes inside. If there was something inside the bath bombs, that would be amazing. I think that's all. And my packing sheet. Well, this is super fancy and convenient. I guess I always do this, but like I said, it's been years since I've mail ordered anything and probably at least years since I went to the store. But they give me a printout with everything, all the ingredients. It even gives instructions if you were to need instructions. So Shoot for the Stars, I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, Snow Fairy, Angel's Delight Bath Bomb, Snowman Dreaming Bath Bomb, Luxury Lush Pud Bath Bomb, Butterbear Bath Bomb, and then we have Jingle Bells, Snow Fairy Wonderball, and Holy Golightly Wonderball. Very cool. So I will be doing individual demos for these bath bombs. Hopefully that's interesting for you. I typically only do demos for bath bombs that have things hidden inside, but I do love Lush, so I will be posting these on my channel. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.